Now that we've learned how to handle instances in SAP 2000 as well as how to create new models, all we have left in this section is how to close a SAP 2000 instance to round up things. You should know the drill by now. New button, new macro. We'll call this one Terminate Instance. First, let's check that the SAP 2000 object is assigned, and, if it isn't, we'll send an error message and exit. Otherwise, we'll terminate the current instance by calling the ApplicationExit function with a parameter set to false. This parameter decides whether the current model is going to be saved to file or not. Next, let's set our SAP 2000 object to nothing. This can be an important step when programming but is more relaxed in VBA. If we don't clear object variables, this leads to what is called a memory leak. VBA is helpful in this regard because, when we exit Excel, the object variables are automatically freed. However, especially when we have macros that stay active for a long time, it's not a good idea to rely solely on this. Lastly, we'll add a message to confirm everything went okay. And, as always, we'll test out our code. So, let's go to our worksheet, launch a new instance. And now let's close our SAP 2000 instance. Great! This concludes the first hands-on section of our course. You should now be able to handle SAP 2000 instances easily. The next section will focus on more SAP 2000 specific concepts such as materials and sections as well as more code interaction with our worksheet.